The iDimension Plus is packaged with the following parts: upper pole assembly, lower pole assembly, display pole mounting bracket, base plate, calibration object, scanning head, USB display and bracket, Ethernet cable, AC power cable, power supply. To assemble the iDimension Plus, first locate, remove, and set aside the 2 hex screws and 2 Phillips screws pre-installed at the pole joint of the upper pole assembly. Align the pole joints and, using a 3mm hex key and number 1 Phillips screwdriver, reinstall the 4 screws previously removed. Align the base plate and install 4 3mm hex screws. These screws may have been pre-installed in the base block, in which case they should be removed and reinstalled into the base plate. Remove the rear cover from the scanning head. Loosen but do not remove the 3 mounting screws so they are approximately 1/4 inch from the spacer plate. Insert cables from the upper pole assembly through the cable slot on the rear enclosure. Cable connections may also be attached now or later in the process. Align the mounting screws with the pole assembly's keyholes. Insert screws through the pole wall and seat them all the way down into the keyholes. Ensure the heads of the mounting screws are seated properly in the keyholes. The plastic spacer block top surface should be parallel with the pole's top surface. Ensure all cables are attached, then reinstall the scanning head's rear cover. Secure the display mount to the pole assembly bracket by removing and then tightening the pre-installed screw. With the display's back cover plate removed, insert the USB display cable into the mini USB port. Route the cable into the cable slot and reinstall the cover. Connect power, Ethernet, and USB cables to the back of the electrical base. Attach the power cable into an electrical outlet to power on the unit. The setup wizard will display during initial power up. Press Begin Setup. Read the user agreement, confirm, and press the check mark to proceed. Set the appropriate time zone, then press the check mark to set time and date. When complete, press the check mark. Select the base type of the iDimension Plus. Place the calibration object on top of the scale. Ensure the platform is clear of other objects, then press the check mark. Stand clear of the unit as the countdown completes. Upon successful zero height calibration, press the check mark. Set the scan area by adjusting each of the 4 touch points on the display. When the zone is configured, press the check mark. Select the configuration setting. In this example, we will be using US customary pole mount. Setup is now complete. The system will restart and be ready to use.